Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. If you don't know my name, it's Tini So Lamini. Anyways, let's do this problem here. As I said in the previous video, I'm solving Euclidean problems for both grade 11 and 12. So this problem applies for both grades, grade 11 and grade 12. And if you didn't look at all the theorems that I've done for both grades, then please check them out in the description of this video. Anyways, let's continue solving this problem here. So what we're given here, we're given a tangent, right? The statement says we're given a tangent, which is AG, to a circle with center O at A. So this is the center, right? They're just saying A so that you can see that we're talking of the bigger circle, right? And then we're also given that AB is parallel to GF, and AD is parallel to HF, right? So it's interesting. Parallel lines, you can see in the diagram, all of that. So now we are asked to prove that F3 is equal to C. So this F3 here, we have to prove that it's equal to this C here. Interesting, right? It looks really interesting. So now, the first thing that I'd advise you to do is just to first find a way to see on whether, how can I move from this F3 all the way up to C? Or how can I move from C all the way up to F3? You know, you really need to just visualize here. If you don't like carrots, you better like them today. Anyways, let's solve this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is this, right? Because that's what I'm seeing from the diagram. I'm like, okay, fine. This C here, let me show you. This C here is equals to this B1 here, right? You can specify the reason. What is the reason? C is equals to B1. What's the reason? If you can tell, it's angles on the same segment. Right, we all can see the segment, right? It's this one here. So the segment obviously is not this what I'm drawing here. By the way, we all know the segment. If you have a circle and there's a chord here, this is a minor segment, and this here is the major segment, right? So when you say that angles on the same segment, we basically mean that if you draw here the line from here to here, there's a segment here. So these angles are on the same segment. They share the same segment. Hence, this would be equal to this. And this chord here creates another segment here. They share the same segment. Hence, this angle here will be equal to this angle. So I hope you understand the reason why we say angles on the same segment. Anyways, let me continue. So that's the first step for solving this problem here, is that C is equal to B1, right? So I'm just going to indicate with a color just so that you are on point with solving this. So C is equal to B1, angles on the same segment. What else can you see? This is what I can see from here. If you take a look properly, and this line here going down, and then this parallel line also. So as you can see, this is parallel to this one here. So this B here, let me indicate with the blue. This B here is equal to this F3. Interesting, right? Because of this F. Remember F, if this is parallel to this, then this angle here is equal to this angle here. Those are corresponding angles, right? So angle B1 is equal to F3. What's the reason for that? Is corresponding angles equal, right? You can just be more specific and say BA, or AB rather, is parallel to GF, right? So that's the reason. As you can see, we were asked to prove that F3 is equal to C, right? And I've just proven that. There is C all the way up to F3, right? So we are done with solving this problem. So you can just say, therefore, angle C is equals to F3, or angle F3 is equals to C. So I hope you did enjoy this. Let me know in the comment section where you struggle, or if you're facing any challenges. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below if you have any suggestions or comments. Take care.